Hello everyone, I'm your friend InSexO. Today we'll begin our new adventure. We're gonna make a new WeChat. But we cannot land this project with this title because it's owned by the Tencent company, so we have to make another one. Okay, I think I got a good idea about this. Let's just add a B in this title line. WebChat. Good. A general application for communication. And first we have to make it private because we can do some development in the sim. We'll choose, let's say, Python. And the lesson MIT. Here we got it. This is the first version of our repository. Then I'm going to clone this project, this repository to my local storage, and try to add the README file. Say it got some features. The first feature is it supports text messaging. Then I'm going to say, I'm just going to copy that line, change it to 2. It supports audio messaging. And 3, it supports radio messaging. Let's just add the 3 features in here. We don't want to I think this is a general application for communication, so it has to include the text, audio, and the video. That's a basic mission and the features that we're gonna make in a few days or weeks. Now we have to make a decision about what kind of frameworks that we should use to build such an application. Libraries that we use. First, we have to choose whether we want to use Vue.js or React.js. It's a 2 framework. It was 2 popular front-end library right now. It's hard to choose which one to use because if you choose the Vue, it's simple to build for a little project, for a small project. But if you want to scale that project to a large project, for example, like this one, you probably need the React.js. But it also got some, bad points. For example, if you use the React.js, if you make your project with that library, after a few months, you totally forget what you did with this. So it's very this library is quite complicated. It's quite complicated for stupid people like me. So we'll see it later. The second library that we're gonna use is Gang.js. Why we should use it? Well, it's simple. You probably don't want to, build your own dataset from the server. So you want to just use the data without defining the data structure or the data itself, like SQL or something like that. You don't want to do that. You just want to handle it with JavaScript directly. So the Gang.js is a library for you to do this job without worrying about the user authentication and something like that. At least we can use it as a tool. We'll see how it works later. The third library is material design. This is more like, it's a CSS library or style library. By using it, we can just get straight to the user interface design without worrying too much about those details in CSS. By the way, I was not a front-end developer. I don't know those details in CSS. Okay, that's the libraries that we're gonna use at this level.